Hello, this is Christina coming to you from sunny California and my kitchen corner. Today I would like to share with you that I am once again participating with the lovely Krista from Crafty Kitty. She's asking that we repurpose items for the summer. I decided to create a wreath. Everything you see here I had in my house with the exception of this frame. I picked this one up yesterday. I'm going to do this because I can't see exactly what's in there, so I'll just picking through what I decide I want to use. And it's just going to be random. Nothing is going to be planned out. I'm just going to do what feels good to me, and let's see how it goes. Okay, I finally finished gluing the potpourri around the frame, and as you can see, I still have a lot left over for another project. And then I decided to pick this print, so I'm just gonna stick this in here. And I'm just going to put a little bit of tape on the ends or hit it with some hot glue just to keep it in place. Get something printed up, and it can be specified to your family with your family's last name. There is so many possibilities. I looked around my house and I found this sign. So using items I already had at home and using a picture frame from the thrift shop, I was able to recycle that picture frame and turn it into a beachy wreath. And I just love it. Look at that. I love those colors, the browns, the beiges, the whites, the off-whites, and all those textures. The potpourri is amazing. And not only does it look beautiful, it smells awesome. It smells like sea breeze. Here's another way I can use that picture frame as a tray. I just placed some sparkling apple cider on it, some glasses, some candles, and a little bit of more potpourri. So I would like to take this time and thank Krista for hosting this DIY summer collaboration. I will also be linking below her channel and a playlist that she has created. I hope that you go to each and every one of our videos and enjoy them. I hope it inspires you to upcycle something in your home for the summer. If you like this video, please share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I will appreciate it. Happy summer!